Included in your head wig craft kit, you will find cotton balls, pipe cleaner feet, an orange beak, sticker eyes, 2 feathers, and a pine cone, which will become your owl's body. You will also need some tacky glue, craft glue, or regular school glue will work. I put my glue into a little container on the side because it's easier for me to work with a couple of toothpicks. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 2 of your cotton balls and set them aside, because these will become your eyes for your owl. The rest of the cotton balls you can start to pull apart. Into smaller pieces, and then we're going to stick these in between the pine cone. You can take a little glue if you like, if you want to secure a little more, dip it in there and then stuff it in. And you're going to follow all the way around with the cotton balls. After you've added all of the cotton balls and you're happy with how your owl's body looks, you can then take a little bit of glue. Actually, I think we're going to do the feathers first. And take a little bit of glue, add it to your feather, and then attach that to the body. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to take a little bit of glue and attach the feet. Then we're going to take the eyes, and they are stickers, but I'm going to use a little glue on them also. I'm just going to stick them right on a cotton ball like this. And take your cotton ball and stick it right on top. And you're going to take your beak And attach his beak right there. After you've gotten Hedwig all put together, just let Hedwig dry for a little while before you try to move her around anywhere. Happy Harry Potter Week!